Ever wondered how to add a touch of alpine charm to your backyard with a rock garden? These small-scale beauties are not only versatile but also low-maintenance and drought-resistant. They can truly transform a space. Stay tuned to learn how to create your very own rock garden. First things first, location matters. Sunlight is vital for rock gardens, so choose a spot that's bathed in generous light. Good drainage is essential too. A sloped area can wonderfully mimic natural rock garden habitats. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, it's time to start designing your rock garden. Designing a rock garden is where the fun truly begins. Picture your space and start by arranging rocks in a manner that seems pleasing and natural. The key is variation, so consider rocks of different sizes and types. Perhaps a large boulder as a centerpiece, surrounded by smaller stones, or maybe a river rock pathway winding through. The possibilities are endless, and each choice you make will add a unique touch of visual interest. With your rocks in place, you're ready to start planting. Planting in a rock garden is a unique experience. Selecting plants that thrive in these conditions is key. Think succulents, alpine plants, and ground covers. These hardy varieties can endure the rocky terrain and limited soil. As you nestle them among the stones, aim for a natural, random arrangement. This mimics how plants would grow in the wild. Don't forget to water sparingly and give plenty of sunlight. With the right care, your plants will flourish among the rocks. Rock gardens are not just beautiful, they are also easy to maintain. All it takes is some occasional weeding to keep unwanted growth at bay, and watering during particularly dry spells. To recap, we've selected a prime location, designed an aesthetic layout, planted some charming flora, and discussed upkeep. The end result? A beautiful, low-maintenance rock garden, a testament to small-scale beauty. And there you have it, a beautiful, low-maintenance rock garden created by you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.